Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove greeting message on WhatsApp Business. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. So your WhatsApp Business greeting message sets the tone every customer's conversation. On my previous video, I've shown you how to set up the greeting message on your WhatsApp Business. But now maybe for some reason you want to remove it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp Business. From here, we can go to Tools. You can select on Tools. From Tools, you can scroll down and on Organize Your Chat section, there is an option Greeting Message. You can just tap on that. So here's my greeting message. You can just delete it. Maybe you can change it to another greeting message if you want to. But if you want to remove it, you can just select in here on the toggle. You can just turn this off. So when someone's message you on this WhatsApp, they will not receive the greeting message from your WhatsApp Business. Then don't forget to save it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove greeting message on WhatsApp Business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.